Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can add in more safe credit cards for Safari AutoFill on the iPhone 12 or iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, you want to tap on the settings icon. In here, you want to swipe down and tap on Safari. Next, go down to the general section and tap on autofill. Next, you go down and tap on save credit cards. Now you need to sign in with your biometrics Face ID, or you need to put in your phone passcode to get to this section because your credit card's information is encrypted. Okay, so in here we can tap on add credit card detail, and you can use a camera to scan for a credit card, or you can manually put in your credit card detail. Okay, so this is the American Express credit card 37144963539 and 8431. Okay, so we need to put in the expiry date as well on the card. So I'm going to put in the expiry date, the March 2023, and you can put in your description. So platinum. So you know which, if you have more than one credit card, if you put a name, you will know which credit card it is, and then tap on done. Okay, so once you have added to your save credit cards autofill, we can then go to a website, and we can when you have to check out in the shopping cart, you need to put in the credit card details. In here you can see I have two different credit cards that I can use. One is Bob Smith and the other one is David, so I can choose that one. Now I can scan with my Face ID to authenticate myself, and once I have authenticated myself, I can now put in the CVC number, which is a security number. Okay, that is the security number that we need to put in before we can check out. And that's it. So that's how you can add in more credit card details to the Safari autofill form on the iPhone 12 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.